Hey guys, Mike here with Spec13 Motorsports, home of the Hayabusa swap for Miata and Exocet, and today I come to you live from the cabin of our Assetto Corsa model that we built of our 1,575-pound shop car. I get asked a lot, how fast is this thing? What kind of quarter-mile times does it run? Is it faster than a Spec Miata? So today we're going to be doing a quarter-mile race against, you guessed it, a Spec Miata. We will be using the 4.3 Miata diff, as it is advantageous for drag racing, and it will yield a 105-mile-an-hour mechanical limited top speed. So let's give this a whirl here. I'm going to use the clutch to start off and click it into first gear, but then we won't need it after that. Oh boy. Alright, I think this is pretty definitive. Not bad. See if we can get a quick crash going. There we go. Yep. Alright, as we do. Now, we're going to do a quick test of our Exocet hit against a semi-fast car. Okay guys, here we are staged in our Hayabusa powered Exocet that weighs 1,195 pounds. Disregard the very obvious LS engine in the Assetto Corsa model. I couldn't figure out how to change it. I'm very bad at all of this stuff. So if anybody out there would like to donate a updated Assetto Corsa model that doesn't look like it has an LS3 in it, that would be much appreciated. So I've got us pit up against the 240 horsepower Exige S240, and we will see what we can do. Little wiggle, not too bad. Alright, I think we've already got this one in the bag as well. And that's a 12.5, not too shabby. I think that's almost a second faster than the Miata. I think it did maybe a 12.3. So there you have it, folks. You know, fairly potent swap with whichever platform you choose, Exocet or Miata. I believe a base or stock case swap Miata will do, you know, high 12s, low 13s, but very different animals. Your Hayabusa swapped Miata will out autocross and out track a case swap Miata all day long. So thanks for watching. Like always, like, subscribe, and share, and happy drag racing.